Samsung M51 FRP Bypass, the ultimate guide. Get back into your Samsung M51, master FRP bypass. Hey tech enthusiasts! Have you found yourself locked out of your Samsung Galaxy M51 due to factory reset protection, FRP? Don't worry, you're not alone. This security feature, while well-intentioned, can be a major hassle if you've forgotten your Google account credentials. Luckily, there are ways to regain control of your device. Let's dive into the exciting world of Samsung M51 FRP Bypass. FRP, the guardian at your phone's gate. FRP is like a digital bouncer for your Samsung M51. It's designed to protect your data in case your phone is lost, stolen, or reset without authorization. When FRP is active, you'll need to verify the Google account that was previously linked to your device in order to set it up again. Makes sense for security, but what if you genuinely can't remember your Google login details? Bypassing the barrier, techniques explained. Let's explore some common and effective FRP bypass methods. The classic reset, the easiest approach is often to try and jog your memory. If you can recover your Google account information, a standard reset will disable FRP. Worth a shot before getting technical. Calling on the pros, authorized Samsung service centers can usually bypass FRP for you, though there may be a fee involved. Tech tools, numerous software tools, both free and paid, claim to crack FRP. These can be effective, but always research their reliability and safety before using them on your device. Alliance Talkback Method. This technique leverages the Talkback accessibility feature in your Samsung phone. It's more involved but a popular choice. A word of caution. It's crucial to understand that bypassing FRP is intended for legitimate circumstances like when you've forgotten your account details or purchased a used device. Attempting to bypass FRP with malicious intent is unethical and potentially illegal. Always proceed with caution, seek credible sources for information, and make sure you're comfortable with the technical processes involved. Step-by-step walkthrough. Many of the more involved FRP bypass methods can get pretty detailed, so instead of cramming everything in here, let's focus on the big picture. Here's a general outline of what a typical FRP bypass procedure might look like. Prep work. You'll likely need a computer, a USB cable to connect your phone, and any specific software tools required for the chosen method. Phone prep. You'll have to manipulate your Samsung M51 settings, often by accessing accessibility features or triggering specific menus during setup. Software interaction. This might involve running commands through your computer, installing apps on your phone, or directly modifying settings via the software tool. The bypass moment. Following the specific steps, you hopefully trick your Samsung M51 into thinking that FRP has been legitimately verified. Your gateway to FRP bypass knowledge. Remember, successfully bypassing FRP depends on a combination of the right method, your technical skills, and potentially a bit of luck. I highly encourage exploring the dedicated videos in my playlist or checking out the recommended videos in the description. These will give you those detailed step-by-step guides to tackle this challenge. Think of this text like the exciting trailer before the main feature. Now it's time to delve deeper and watch those comprehensive tutorials.